Hi guys, let me teach you how you can prepare your own pastry cream at home. This is not condensed milk. Can you see the way it's looking? This pastry cream can be used to serve your pastries, your breads, your donuts. Guys, it can serve as fillings even within your cakes. It's a cream filling that you use to eat your pastries. It can even serve as toppings. First things first, you have your egg yolks. Egg yolks, please. Next is my sugar. I added the sugar to it and I stirred it. The detailed measurements of ingredients is going to be found in the description. Just take a look at the description and prepare yours. I whisk this around and allow the sugar to dissolve in the yolk. Generally, you're just wanting it to come together. After that, I go ahead to add my corn flour. Corn flour is essential for this particular recipe. After the corn flour, you go ahead to whisk. Guys, you have to whisk because I'm using my hands. Using your hand whisk, just bring it together. Allow it to dissolve in it. Make it into a smooth solution. Just stir it around and let the whole thing combine properly. It may take a while. It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes depending, but just bring everything together and this is what it's going to look like. Afterwards, you're going to see the way you just whisk it a bit. Add my salt. Measurements in the description. Please whisk, just combine it, just bring it together. Afterwards, I light up my stove top and I'm going to be transferring a thick bottom pot onto my stove top. Added my milk, 1.5 cup of milk for this recipe. Please on low heat. Add your margarine. Using your whisk, just bring it together, allow it to dissolve, allow it to melt in the milk while still on low heat. Please don't allow this to simmer, don't allow it to boil. Just make sure that there's presence of heat underneath, and that is why you need a thick bottom pot and not a light or a shallow pot. So generally, you're just going to whisk this together, allow the butter to dissolve, allow it to come together in the milk. Guys, you're going to spend some time doing this because at this point, you're going to allow it to heat up for about 5 minutes. And next, I go ahead to add my flavor. I use vanilla flavor for this particular recipe, and I added about 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, just to improve the taste. Already, I'm using margarine, and margarine is flavored, margarine is fortified, so it has a good taste. Guys, I'm going to take this off the heat because we're going to do something now. I'm going to pour in some of this heated milk and butter into my egg. I'm just pouring a little so that it doesn't cook the egg. Using my whisk, I stir this up, ensure it is properly combined because we're going to be returning the entire liquid back into the pot. So after I've combined it, I'm now going to pour it into the remaining liquid in the pot. Yes, remember the egg and corn flour and sugar is cold, so it has tampered with the hotness of the milk. So I combine this while still on low heat. Please do not use medium heat, do not use high heat. Now this is where you have to be patient. You have to allow this to thicken while it heats up. This may take you up to 10 minutes or maybe 12 minutes. So while it's heating up, just continue to stir so that it doesn't burn, or so that the corn flour doesn't begin to cook or settle beneath. So after about 10 minutes, please don't allow it to be too thick because once it cools, it will still thicken up. So this is my perfect consistency. I remove it and I keep a strainer or a sieve over a bowl, and I'm going to be passing this particular thing through the sieve. I'm going to pour everything into it, and using my spatula, I'm going to ensure that I scrape the whole thing, ensure that I get every bit of my homemade whipped cream. Guys, I've been wanting to make this whipped cream myself, but I've been a bit skeptical because I've seen some chefs do this and generally I didn't know what it would taste like, but I thank God I was able to tick this off my bucket list. Guys, I'm going to use the spatula to spread this through, press it so that it can pass through. The essence of straining or sieving is so that lumps do not pass through. So you're going to have a smooth texture or a smooth paste or a smooth solution. You're going to pass this through until everything passes through it. Now we're done straining and pressing, I'm going to get a cling film. Cling film is what is best to use, or you can use a clean white transparent nylon. The essence of this kind of covering is so that when condensation takes place, it doesn't trap, liquid right into the pastry cream. So you're just going to cover it just the way you do your ganache. Make sure you press it very close to the surface.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, like my videos, and guys, you can drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be glad to discuss with you.
I refrigerated mine for some time, and afterwards, this is what we have. You can see the way it's looking, the color, it's brighter. It's more together than it used to be. It's cooled now, and consistency is just perfect. So I pulled away the cling film and take a look at what we have. You can see the way it's looking. It's beautiful. This can serve as your cake filling. It can serve as toppings for your sweet roll. You can use it to eat bread. You can use it to eat your snacks, your cookies. This is just so beautiful. Use my spatula to whip it up a bit. I love the consistency. It's just perfect. So guys, I got a clean jar, ensure it was dry, and I transferred this into the jar. Now, the trending milky donut has been going on for a while now, and I decided to use my pastry cream to make my milky filling. Remember, this pastry cream has a milk base. So I did a combination of pastry cream and whipped cream. Guys, I didn't know this thing is going to come out so well. I was just trying, I needed to use up the ingredients I had at home. I just needed to try the things I had at home instead of, wastage, creating new things. And this creamy filling was so amazing. It tasted really good. When I was making it, I decided to make fillings for only 3 donuts because I didn't know my kids would enjoy it, but it came out nice. Bye.